In today's video, we're going to make our own hand sanitizer with alcohol and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This hand sanitizer is rich in antibacterial properties and so supporting the immune system. But what I love about this recipe is its moisturizing benefits. Not only do your hands feel cleansed, but soft as well. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 2-ounce amber plastic squeezable bottle, half an ounce of rubbing alcohol, 1.5 ounces of aloe vera jelly. Aloe vera jelly is moisturizing, antifungal, antibacterial, and an antioxidant. It also supports skin regeneration and inflammation reduction. Personally, I recommend Lily of the Desert. 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It's a natural astringent, balances oil production, and supports collagen restoration. Essential oils I like to use are wild orange, clove bud, eucalyptus, and tea tree. Wild orange can reduce stress and anxiety. It's antibacterial and an antioxidant. It supports blood circulation, inflammation reduction, and can increase energy and focus. Clove bud is antibacterial, antifungal, and an antioxidant. Eucalyptus is antibacterial and an antiseptic. It supports concentration and focus. Tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, and supports against inflammation. First, combine half an ounce of rubbing alcohol, 1.5 ounces of aloe vera jelly, and 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil in a bowl. Then add 5 drops of wild orange, 3 drops of clove bud, 3 drops of eucalyptus, and 2 drops of tea tree essential oils and mix well. Next, add mixture to a 2-ounce amber plastic PET squeezable bottle. Finally, place the lid on bottle and shake well. Put a dime-sized amount in your hand and massage into skin. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Remember, shake well before using and store in a cool, dry place. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.